devil. The Tasmanian devil has one of the strongest guts in the animal kingdom relative to size, powerful enough to crush bones with ease. It can eat up to 40% of its body weight in one meal, consuming meat, fur, and bones without waste. When feeding, it makes loud, chilling screeches and growls that can scare off competitors. Acting as nature's cleanup crew, it helps prevent the spread of disease by devouring carcasses. After the extinction of the thylacine, it became the world's largest carnivorous marsupial. Females can give birth to up to 30 tiny joeys, but only 4 survive because the pouch can hold just that many. At night, it can travel as far as 16 kilometers in search of food. Although it suffers from a rare contagious cancer called devil facial tumor disease, conservationists are working hard to protect it. Despite its stocky body, it can climb trees and swim across rivers. Ever heard of an animal that poops cute? Meet the wombat, Australia's adorable burrowing marsupial. They're not just cute, they're also nature's master geometricians. Like most creatures, wombats produce perfectly square droppings. Yes, you heard that right. Little blocky nuggets. This isn't just a quirky digestive anomaly. It's a brilliant evolutionary strategy. Wombats have poor eyesight, so they rely on scent to mark their territory. They climb rocks and logs, leaving their unique, cube-shaped markers in prominent spots. Why cubes? Because they won't roll away. This ensures their territorial claim stays exactly where they left it, loud and clear. So the next time you're marveling at nature, remember the wombat. They're not just digging burrows. They're engineering perfect, non-rolling, territorial turds. Nature truly is amazing, and sometimes hilariously practical. Tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature is the ultimate survivor. When conditions are lethal, it goes into a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. It shrivels into a tiny ton, expelling water and shutting down its metabolism. In this state, it can survive freezing cold, boiling heat, the vacuum of space, and even deadly radiation. It can stay like this for decades. But all it takes is a single drop of water for them to rehydrate and spring back to life. The tardigrade is a powerful reminder that life has an incredible capacity for survival and renewal, and that profound strength can be found in the smallest places. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature is the ultimate survivor. When conditions are lethal, it goes into a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. It shrivels into a tiny ton, expelling water and shutting down its metabolism. In this state, it can survive freezing cold, boiling heat, the vacuum of space, and even deadly radiation. It can stay like this for decades. But all it takes is a single drop of water for them to rehydrate and spring back to life. The tardigrade is a powerful reminder that life has an incredible capacity for survival and renewal, and that profound strength can be found in the smallest places.
तेरा 12 थी और दिन जब पीर का था वो
Cuttlefish have human-like molar teeth designed for crushing nuts.
अभी जरा खामोश रहना, मैं कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा.
Cuttlefish have Cuttlefish have human-like molar teeth designed for crushing nuts, seeds, and plants. They're relatives of piranhas, but mostly peaceful and vegetarian. Some can grow over 3 feet long and 50 plus pounds, making them giant freshwater fish. Native to South America, they've been found around the world due to aquarium releases. In the Amazon, they help spread seeds, acting like underwater gardeners. Deep in the flooded forests of the Amazon lives a remarkable creature, the Brazilian tapir, or Tapirus terrestris. Often described as pig-like, this herbivore is a true heavyweight, growing up to 2 meters long and weighing over 220 kilograms. Tapirs possess a distinctive short trunk, an elongated snout they skillfully use to grasp leaves and fruit from the dense vegetation. This unique adaptation helps them forage efficiently in their lush environment. But their most surprising trait might be their aquatic prowess. Brazilian tapirs are excellent swimmers, spending much of their time submerged and frequently diving to feed on aquatic plants, making them vital components of the Amazon's intricate ecosystem. Capybara hydrochaeris, the world's largest rodent, up to 1.3 meters long and 65 to 90 kilograms. Capybaras are semi-aquatic, highly social herbivores that live near water in the Amazon basin. They often graze grasses or aquatic plants in family groups of 10 to 20 animals. They can purr, sort of rabbit. When content, rabbits softly grind their teeth, a gentle vibration you can feel if they're on your lap. They can get heat stroke easily, son. Rabbits don't sweat and they can't pant like dogs, so high temperatures can be dangerous for them. Their ears are air conditioner's ear. The large surface area of their ears helps regulate body temperature by releasing heat. They're a little architect's house with garden. Wild rabbits dig complex burrow systems called warrens, complete with separate rooms and emergency exits. They have a binky dance woman dancing. When extremely happy, rabbits leap, twist midair, and flick their feet, move called a binky. They can see behind them, but not right in front eyes. Their panoramic vision leaves a small blind spot in front of their noses, so they rely on whiskers to judge distance. They can be litter-trained toilet. Just like cats, domestic rabbits can learn to use a litter box if trained properly. They have a secret nap schedule sleeping phase. Rabbits are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk, napping in between.
Snakes have incredibly flexible jaws, allowing them to swallow prey much larger than their own heads.
Deep within the dense, vibrant heart of the Amazon rainforest, a creature lurks that strikes fear into the bravest explorers. This isn't a jaguar or a venomous snake, but something far smaller, yet infinitely more terrifying. Meet the bullet ant, named for a reason that will make you wince. Its sting is universally described as feeling exactly like being shot by a gun. This isn't just a fleeting discomfort. It's an intense, searing agony. The pain from a single bullet ant sting can last for a staggering 24 hours, a full day of relentless, throbbing torment. It ranks highest on the Schmidt Pain Index, making it the world's most painful insect sting. Imagine enduring that for an entire day. For nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, the Amazon holds countless wonders, but also this unique, excruciating challenge. Could you survive the world's most painful bite?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर बनी बानी जो इनमें तहरीक इंसाफ साबिक वज़ीर इमरान खान साहब और शाह रशीद साहब वज़ीर खारजा को 10-10 साल की सजा सुना दी गई साइफर केस में। अब आगे क्या होगा, तहरीक इंसाफ की आगे स्ट्रेटजी क्या है? और
Unveiling the fascinating world of snakes. Our world is teeming with wonders, one being the enthralling species of snakes. They captivate us with their diverse range and mystery. Did you know there are over 3,000 snake species worldwide? And only about a quarter of them carry venom capable of harming humans. Take the black mamba, for instance. It's the fastest snake globally, reaching speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. But speed isn't its only weapon. The black mamba also has one of the deadliest venoms. A single bite can lead to paralysis or even death if untreated. Now, let's unravel a myth. The anaconda, despite its size, is non-venomous. It uses its robust body to constrict prey. Not all snakes are ruthless predators. Some, like the eastern indigo snake, are immune to venom and feed on other venomous snakes. From the deserts to the oceans, snakes are truly fascinating creatures. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the many wonders of our wild world. Unfolding the beautiful world of birds. Welcome to a journey that takes flight in the mesmerizing world of birds, where nature reveals its colorful secrets. As dawn breaks, the symphony of birdsong fills the air. Each chirp, tweet, and whistle is a testament to nature's beautiful languages. Next, we turn our gaze to their vibrant feathers. From the flamingo's pink to the peacock's iridescent blue, each bird is a living, flying rainbow. Now, marvel at their extraordinary skills. Witness the precision of a hawk's hunt and the sublime artistry of a bowerbird's nest. Let's not forget their incredible migration journeys. Covering thousands of miles, they paint lines of life across our sky, an unrivaled feat of endurance. Finally, we delve into the symbiotic relationships birds share with nature. In spreading seeds or controlling pests, they play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Together, let's celebrate and protect this beautiful world of birds, nature's priceless gift to humanity. Let our hearts be the wind beneath their wings. Unlocking the mysteries of the sand grouse. Have you ever wondered about the unique life of the sand grouse? This bird is a master of adaptation, thriving in the world's harshest climates. In the scorching heat of the desert, sand grouse have evolved a remarkable way to carry water for their chicks. The male's chest feathers can soak up and transport water over long distances. Their cryptic plumage is a perfect blend with their surroundings, providing an excellent camouflage against predators. Nature's own stealth technology at its finest. The sand grouse isn't just a desert dweller. Some species can be found in the icy tundras of Siberia. Talk about versatility. With a diet primarily of seeds, they are a crucial part of the desert ecosystem, controlling the population of certain plants. The sand grouse' unique cooing call, heard mostly at dawn and dusk, adds an ethereal soundtrack to the stark beauty of the desert landscape. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the sand grouse, a bird that teaches us the power of adaptation and resilience. Unveiling the world of pandas, nature's cuddliest creatures. Meet the panda, a fascinating bear species, cloaked in black and white, leaving a lasting impression with its distinctive appearance. Did you know? Despite their hefty size, pandas surprisingly are excellent tree climbers, often found lounging in trees for hours. It's hard to believe, but pandas primarily eat bamboo, surviving on this low nutrition food due to their highly specialized digestive system. Interestingly, pandas are solitary creatures, only socializing during the mating season. Otherwise, these peaceful creatures prefer their own company. Panda babies are born hairless, tiny, and incredibly vulnerable, but with sheer grit and mother's care, they grow to impressive sizes. Their popular
population is under threat due to deforestation and habitat loss. However, conservation efforts worldwide are fighting to bring their numbers back. So, next time you see a panda, remember they are not just adorable, they are agile climbers, bamboo lovers, and solitary survivors. The unbelievable truth about the Egyptian plover, the crocodile bird. In the heart of Africa, a small bird called the Egyptian plover sweeps in for an astonishing act of mutualism. The plover, often known as the crocodile bird, has a curious relationship with one of the world's most feared predators. It calmly struts into the gaping mouth of a Nile crocodile, not to become a meal, but to feast on leeches hanging onto the crocodile's gums. This daring dance isn't only about a free meal for the plover. By cleaning the crocodile's teeth, it also prevents deadly infections. The crocodile rewards the plover's bravery by providing a safe haven, refraining from snapping its jaws shut on its tiny dentist. This remarkable relationship between the fierce crocodile and the tiny plover speaks volumes about the intricacies of nature's balance. Join us next time as we uncover more astonishing facts about the world's most incredible animals and their unexpected behaviors. Exploring the majestic depths, unveiling intriguing facts about whale sharks. Diving deep into the ocean, we enter the magnificent world of the largest fish in the sea, the whale shark. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet long. Yet, despite their size, they feed mainly on tiny plankton and small fish. Whale sharks are known for their distinctive pattern of spots and stripes, a unique identifier as individual as our fingerprints. Unlike many sharks, whale sharks are ovoviviparous, birthing live young. Astonishingly, a pregnant female can carry over 300 pups at once. These colossal creatures have a lifespan that rivals humans, living for 70 to 100 years. What tales they could tell! Despite their vast size and lifespan, whale sharks remain shrouded in mystery. They are solitary animals, making them challenging to study. Join us on this underwater adventure as we unravel the fascinating secrets of the whale shark, an incredible testament to nature's marvels. Unleashing the magic, fascinating facts about Christmas animals. Ever wondered why certain animals are woven into Christmas folklore? Let's delve deep and uncover their mesmerizing stories. Reindeers, synonymous with Santa's journey, are uniquely adapted to survive harsh Arctic conditions. Ironically, Rudolph's red nose is scientifically plausible. Robins, the quintessential Christmas card emblem, symbolizes hope and renewal. Their vibrant red breast stands out against winter's stark white canvas. Contrary to popular belief, the three wise men's camels signify endurance and perseverance. They represent the long journey that led to Bethlehem. Donkeys, often depicted in nativity scenes, are a symbol of humility. They teach us the value of simplicity and unpretentiousness. Lastly, the Yule goat, a Scandinavian tradition, was initially associated with Thor, who rode a chariot pulled by goats. Fascinating, isn't it? Discover the mysteries, fascinating facts about porcupines. Have you ever wondered about the world of porcupines? These creatures have more to them than just sharp quills. Here's a fact: porcupines can't shoot their quills. Despite popular belief, they don't launch them at threats, they only detach when touched. Can you imagine a swimming porcupine? Well, they're excellent swimmers due to hollow quills, which provide buoyancy much like a life jacket. Here's a surprise: porcupines are good climbers too. Their long claws and strong pad-like feet help them navigate tree branches effortlessly. Speaking of quills, did you know a single porcupine can have over 30,000 quills? Talk about a unique defense mechanism. Porcupines are not just about spines and prickles. They have a softer side too. For instance, baby porcupines are called porcupets. So, join us as we unravel more captivating truths about the fascinating world of porcupines. It's time to prick your curiosity. Unearthing the mysteries of the fluffy cow. Ever wondered about the origin of the irresistibly charming fluffy cows? They're more than just a cute, cuddly spectacle. Believe it or not, these woolly bovines are not a distinct breed. Instead, they are regular cows with a fancy haircut, given a unique makeover by people. This grooming process takes several hours, involving washing, blow-drying, and trimming to create that iconic fluffy appearance that garners so much attention. But why all this effort, you might ask? It began as a trend within the cattle industry to make cows stand out at livestock shows. Yet, it's not all for show. This meticulous grooming also helps to keep the cows clean, reducing the chance of infections and diseases. Despite their endearing looks, remember they are still large animals. Always approach with caution and respect their space. Fluffy or not, safety is paramount. Join us next time as we delve into more intriguing aspects of our world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. Unlocking the mysteries of the peahen. Peahens, the often overlooked female peacocks, hold extraordinary allure. Let's delve into a world centered around their captivating reality. Contrary to popular belief, peahens aren't drab. Their earth-tone feathers are a strategic display of camouflage, ensuring their survival in the wild. Peahens also have a knack for recognizing faces. This exceptional ability enables them to distinguish between friendly and potentially harmful beings. The courtship dance of the peacock is well known, but did you know peahens critically evaluate this performance? They're selective, ensuring the survival of the fittest. Motherhood in the peahen world is a solo endeavor. Peahen solely incubates the eggs, raises the chicks, and protects them from predators. Lastly, peahens share a unique quality with humans. They live beyond their reproductive years. This phenomenon, called grandmother effect, is quite rare in nature. Join us next time as we continue to uncover extraordinary facts about the fascinating creatures that share our world. Remember, there's always more to learn. Unmasking the flamboyant flamingo, a hilarious dive into their world. Have you ever wondered why flamingos always stand on one leg? Well, it's because they're just inherently lazy. You might think that pink is their natural color, but in reality, flamingos are born gray. They owe their vibrant hue to their diet. Did you know that flamingos can fly? Yes, those skinny, long-legged creatures can take to the skies, and at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. The next time you see a group of flamingos, remember to call them a flamboyance. Yes, a group of flamingos is indeed called a flamboyance. Flamingos are the masters of romance with their intricate and large-scale group dances. They certainly know how to woo their partners. So, the next time you see a flamingo, don't just admire its beauty. Remember these fun facts and impress your friends.